Okay, here's my polar blue convict cichlids, and there's the fry right down there. Trying to get the mom in there. There she is. There she is, and there are the babies right there. They're mixed with black convict and polar blue, so I'm interested in seeing how they come out. If anybody else has any of these, let me know. Something about them. Will half of them come out like the mom, or will they all come out like black convict? There she is, and she's trying to protect the babies. There she is. She's about three. She's about 3 months old. So, all right. Let me get a shot of her. She's a beautiful fish, though. And I had to take the father out. I had to take the black convict out because she was getting kind of aggressive toward him. So I had to take her out. All right. If anybody have any information, let me know. Bye-bye.